as you can see behind us, we have this nice golf hitting net. It has 4 little target areas that you can hit, and then you have 1 big circle target. It has this nice ground mat on the bottom, and then it was super easy to put together. It took us maybe 5 minutes, not even. It comes with this nice little mat right here. You have 3 different options, and it also comes with a tee as well as 4 balls. And all you have to do is stick this back in like that, and you can choose what kind of grass you want to hit. So my boyfriend's right here. He's gonna hit it into it. He's better at golf than I am, so I'll let him take over. So as you can see, he hit it straight into there. It didn't go over it, it didn't go underneath it or anything like that. He has a perfect area to hit rather than us continuously losing golf balls out in our yard. What do you think about it?
It's nice. You see I hit it into this. That's also a nice feature that plays a little game with yourself, see if you can make it in. I like it. It's useful. It helps my golf game a lot. And I rated it about a 9 out of 10, honestly.
So if you're looking to just stop losing your golf balls and you want a little practice net, this definitely is a great choice. I'm Kinsey, this is Kaden, and we'll see you next time.